This is the Rex 26 188. It's a walking foot machine with reverse and a stitch adjustment from 1 to 5 millimeters. This is a clone off of Singer's 16-188. Also, Chandler makes a version that's referred to as the TDU N62. So this machine, there's a lot of different variations of it, probably because it's a pretty good setup. If you need to do some upholstery, this machine will pull it through very well, like a tractor, really. In threading the Rex, I'm going to focus mainly on the end here. This is the more complicated part, so I'm coming off the thread tree to the post in the back, which is just a simple feed the thread through a hole, and from the post you'll come across the top and down the front of these tension discs. Then you'll come to the tensioner. You'll come around the back and up from the bottom. Then you're going to come around this L bracket. Once you get her hooked around the L bracket, you're going to come behind the take-up spring, then through the take-up lever from back to front, and then when it's threaded to here, you will see that when the take-up lever pulls up on the thread, it engages the take-up spring. Then you come down to this guide, and then there's one more guide at the top of the needle. From there you'll thread your needle from left to right. Now that the needle's threaded, pulling up the bobbin thread, it's pretty simple. You lift the foot, put a little bit of tension on the tail, like this, and advance the machine by hand. And you can see the thread going around the bobbin now, and as it does, it will pick up the bobbin thread, and then it will pull the bobbin thread, which I have loaded with green. You can see that how the two have looped around one another. So in a walking foot like this, at the same time that you're getting your bobbin thread up, you can also pull your top thread down through the foot. So what that looks like is this. So now we have the green thread up from the bobbin, and the red thread is down through that foot. From there you'll just place the threads under and behind the foot like you would any other machine. You're ready to go. Here is how properly adjusted thread tension release works. As you raise the foot with the foot lift, this device spreads those discs apart so that you can easily remove your work.